everyone, I want to see if I can try and mend my friend's chain. It's one of those kind of like odd type of link things here, and I can't really glue it, so I've just got my borax. I've got to create some flux. I keep putting water in this and it just keeps disappearing, so it's really sucking it up. This is brand new. I bought this stuff here years ago, and I never really got around to kind of like building up my tools that I need to make silver jewellery. I just never really, you know, got on with it, which is really a bit regretful actually. I've got this, I just need to sand it down just to give it a little bit of a edge down. So I've got to create this for me health hazard here. And you should really wear glasses and goggles shall I say, when you're doing silver jewellery. I don't think I've got anything. My son's got some from his science kit or whatever. Alright. Got my brush. This is clean enough. Take some of the flux. Put some here to clean it out. So put this on my block. Health hazard, health hazard. I should really have a what's it called? Like a breeze block and everything. These cutters, these are wire cutters, because when I'm cutting certain wires, they're a little bit too thick, that these don't cut it. So I'm just gonna put, see, flux. Look at that. It's just all. Just gonna put that in. I'm gonna put these together like that, and put my solder on top. Just gonna pick it up with the flux. Just drop it on there like that. I've got my torch. Okay, I'm gonna try again. I've got my flame. I'm just gonna go and just heat this up. And see. Yeah, so that is it. That is it. And then here's the pendant. You just have to put, you know, it's turned quite a nice multicolored thing, but this is the case you're gonna have to throw it away or get a new kind of chain for it. But I thought at least I'll just give that a go. I don't know if you know, I don't know if that will stick. If not, she'll just have to try and try it out. Yeah, and that's it. So that's the chain all soldered together, and that's it. It's giving it a nice little round. Remember that actually during my jewelry class, and use copper, and if you put the heat long enough, it turns all lovely, beautiful rainbow colours. It was so nice. But that's it, you know, a little bit of jewelry fixing for my friend. And if you like what you saw, please give it a thumbs up, comment and subscribe. Bye now.